Hey guys, I hope you are all doing great. I am sorry for not being able to do the Zoom class yesterday, but I was having trouble with my Wi-Fi. So that's why you're getting this video today. Today we're going to be talking about subject and object pronouns. So first we're going to do a little review. We're going to talk about what is a noun. A noun is a person, place, animal, or a thing. I want you to write these sentences down, these three sentences down, 1, 2, and 3. And I want you to circle all of the nouns that you find. If you need some extra time, you can pause this video, and then when you're done, you can put play again. I'm going to read the sentences. Diego was playing soccer in Central Park. That's sentence number 1. So here I see two nouns. Noun number 1, Diego, because it's the name of a person, was playing soccer in Central Park. Central Park is the name of the park. So this is a place. This is our second noun. Let's go to sentence number 2. Selena Gomez is a famous singer. I see one noun in sentence number 2. Selena Gomez. She's a person. That's why it's a noun. Sentence number 3. My dog Sasha behaves very good. What is the name of the dog? Sasha. So that's our noun in sentence number 3. So now you remember what a noun is. It's a person, place, animal, or a thing. Now we're going to talk about pronouns. Pronouns take the place of the noun. So with these two sentences over here, I want you to write them down, and you're going to change one of the nouns for a pronoun. I'm going to do the two sentences with you so we're all clear with the pronouns, okay? Christian was playing with the ball and he lost the ball. Christian, we could change it for he. Because Christian is the name of a person. He was playing with the ball and he lost it. We can change ball for it because a ball is a thing, and that would be a pronoun. He was playing with the ball and he lost it. Christian was playing with the ball and he lost the ball. Let's go to sentence number 2. Maria and I decided to eat sushi. We have Maria and I. We could change it to we. We decided to eat sushi. Maria and I decided to eat sushi. Okay? So, we're still in pronouns. Now, this is a little reminder that we have singular pronouns and that we have plural pronouns. Singular means one, plural means more than one. The girl is singular, the girls is plural. Okay, we have singular and we have plural. I, me, he, she, him, her, and it are our singular pronouns. And then we have our plural pronouns that are we, us, they, and them. Okay, I'm gonna read the first sentence here in the middle. Valentina bought a cookie for Mia. We have two names of persons here. We have Valentina and we have Mia. We're going to change them for pronouns. Both of them are Valentina is singular and Mia is also singular. So we're going to go to the singular pronouns. Valentina bought a cookie for Mia. She bought a cookie for her. Or you could also say Valentina bought a cookie for her. Or she bought a cookie for Mia. Remember, those were singular pronouns. Now we're going to go to plural. Melissa wanted to go with Luis and Sofia. Melissa wanted to go with them because we're talking about two persons, Luis and Sofia. Now we're going to subject and object pronouns, guys. And we're going to talk about subject first. A subject pronoun is used as the subject of a sentence. I, you, he, she, it, we, and they are our subject pronouns. Okay, we have 3 sentences over here. Let's start with sentence number 1. Remember, you can pause the video, copy the sentences, and then you can do them with me. They went to Buenos Aires, Argentina. What is our subject pronoun here? I want you to circle it. Our subject pronoun is they. They went to Buenos Aires, Argentina. Look, they is over here, and we have they over here. Let's go to sentence number 2. She decided to eat pancakes for breakfast. What is our subject pronoun here? She. Over here, she. Let's go to sentence number 3. You are going to eat a sandwich for dinner. What is our subject pronoun in sentence number 3? You. Over here, you. So, subject pronouns are used as the subject of a sentence. Okay, remember the subject. Now we're gonna go to object pronouns. So, object pronoun is a pronoun that is used after the action verb. Remember that the action verbs are things that we do. Run, walk, talk, play, jump. Those are action verbs, okay? So the object pronoun is used after the action verb in a sentence. And our object pronouns are me, you, him, her, it, us, and them. Okay, let's look at these 3 sentences that we have over here. Remember, you can pause the video, copy the sentences, and then you can do it with me. Sentence number 1. All of the food was cooked for us. The first thing that I want you to do is underline the action verb. All of the food was cooked for us. Our action verb is cooked. So, always the object pronoun is after the action verb. So, look over here. Boom. Us. Okay, now let's go to sentence number 2. Over here. He had a ball and then lost it. What is our action verb there? He had a ball and then lost it. Lost. So, remember that always the object pronoun is after the action verb. So, over here we have it. And here's it. Let's go to sentence number 3. I took the backpacks of all of them. Our action verb is took. I took the backpacks of all of them. And remember that the object pronoun is always after the action verb. So we go over here and here we have our object pronoun, them. Now, let's go to these 2 sentences. Identify the pronouns in these 2 sentences. Sentence number 1, you came to visit my new house. Sentence number 2, in the beach, the sun shines directly to you. Remember that you can pause the video, write the sentences, and then you can continue with me. When you write the sentences, I want you to circle the pronouns that you find, okay? You came to visit my new house is your sentence number 1. In the beach, the sun shines directly to you is sentence number 2. The pronoun in sentence number 1 is you. You came to visit my new house. Who came to visit my new house? You did. So that means it's our subject pronoun. And look, it's at the beginning of the sentence. In the beach, the sun shines directly to you. Shines is our action verb. If we look after the action verb, we can find a pronoun. So that means it's an object pronoun because it's after the action verb. Both of them have the same pronoun, but it's used in different ways. One is at the beginning, that means it's a subject pronoun, and the other one is at the end after the action verb. It's the object, is an object pronoun, okay? So guys, this is all for today. I hope you understand it a little better now. We're gonna keep practicing subject and object pronouns next week. Remember to pause the video, write your sentences, and then you can start underlining and identifying your pronouns. Be safe, guys, and see you next week. I miss you. Bye.